Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the job landscape. Welcome to our discussion on AI and the future of work, job transformation. The integration of AI and automation into the workplace is accelerating, bringing both challenges and immense opportunities. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in how work is done. The rise of AI and automation is driven by its ability to perform tasks with speed and efficiency previously unimaginable. This is fundamentally reshaping industries. AI is changing job roles by automating routine processes, augmenting human capabilities, and creating entirely new categories of work. Let's look at the specifics. The most immediate impact of AI is the automation of highly repetitive, manual tasks across various sectors. AI excels at routine, data-intensive jobs, such as data entry, transaction processing, and basic customer service inquiries. These roles are increasingly being handled by algorithms. This shift heavily impacts roles in administration, where tasks like scheduling and data management are streamlined, and in manufacturing, where robotic assembly lines take over physical labor. However, AI isn't just targeting low-skill repetitive tasks, it's also transforming professional and skilled roles. In fields like law, medicine, and software development, AI acts as a powerful assistant, augmenting human capabilities by quickly analyzing vast amounts of data, drafting documents, and detecting patterns. Crucially, AI is assisting, not entirely replacing, complex tasks. Human judgment, creativity, and strategic thinking remain essential for decision-making. As AI integrates into the economy, new job roles are emerging to support and manage this new technology. We see increasing demand for specialized roles like AI trainers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists to ensure responsible and effective deployment of these systems. The focus for human workers shifts towards inherently human-centric skills that AI cannot replicate, such as creativity, critical thinking, complex problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. The societal and economic impact of this job transformation requires proactive measures and strategic planning. To thrive in the future of work, there is a critical need for reskilling and continuous learning to equip the workforce with AI literacy and skills complementary to automation. The evolving relationship between humans and AI at work will define the next era of productivity. It's about collaboration, where technology enhances, rather than diminishes, human potential. So what does this all mean for the future workforce? AI is transforming jobs, not just taking them. It's moving humans up the value chain to focus on more intricate, strategic, and creative tasks. Prepare for the future of work by embracing lifelong learning, focusing on uniquely human skills, and adapting to a partnership with artificial intelligence.